What's going on, guys? This is Aiden here with AC Raps. I need to figure out a different intro, man. I need to figure out the angle too as well. Here at the shop, I'm trying to do this YouTube thing, man. I'm trying to edit my own videos. I'm trying to do everything by also running a business and everything as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got today. Not too much on schedule for today. That's what I think, but I don't know. It could change. Every day is different. Customer did call me earlier this morning. He wanted a quote for his old school. He's gonna come by and give me a call later today. We're gonna see that one. He wants to get it done by this week. Today's Monday. We'll be working on this Tesla here that we have. And I'm trying to figure out the audio too as well. So right now we're running no mic. And then I noticed that with that mic, it's a little bit, I need to talk a little bit louder. So we'll see what's up. I'll go back and forth with it. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out this YouTube stuff. I haven't recorded in a minute. I don't know how to edit. It's been so long, guys. Like, if you see my old YouTube videos, it's crazy, man. It's raining outside too. I did my hair and it's all over the place now because it's just been raining and stuff like that. I need to look over here. See, I always have that issue. Not looking at the camera, I'm looking at the screen. But you know what it is? It's good. But yeah, we have this Model 3 behind us here. We're gonna go ahead and assemble it, work on it, prep it, all that good stuff. We have a truck drop off tomorrow. We have a couple of things to do today. I gotta call a few people and get the schedule. I need to lock in more jobs, by the way, too. It's January 2026. And beginning of the month is always holidays pass, all this stuff passes, so you gotta, like, you know what I mean, look for those leads and promote and, you know, do a lot of stuff, you know, that you gotta do in the behind the screen and everything. But let me go ahead and do what I gotta do. We're gonna go ahead and knock out this and then talk to our ad guy and everything, make sure everything is running properly. I got my boy Shino here. We're gonna be knocking out two of these bad boys here. United decal just on the doors, that's it.
Yep.
How do you feel about it?
I'm fucking confused. No.
There's no mock-up, so it's literally simple. Just place it in the middle. That's all. We can't fuck up. So we'll see what's up.
We're making it look pretty. We call it a day.
Making it look pretty, but yeah, two doors. The other one's gonna come in and swap it out. Told him give me about 40 minutes or so. And then we got still the chrome delete. Has to be done by today or drop off at least tomorrow. We'll see what's up. But busy day, like I said. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And yeah. See what's up, babe.
Hi.
So we're out of the shop right now. I guess we get some food real quick. We got some Kiki's. Kiki's, right? Oh, Kiki cheese. Chicken. Kiki chicken.
Chicken guys.
Chicken guys, because Kiki's is not around that much no more in Sac. But we got some chicken fries. Chicken fries?
Well, they're called chicken fries, but the place is called Chicken Guys.
Chicken guys from Chicken Fries.
What?
I love eating, guys.
We know.
I'll go be cooking some bomb ass food too. Pozole, green, rare. We'll put some in the video once we get to that. About to go back to the shop in a little bit, just dropping off my girl home. She's gonna clean the house for a bit. I'm gonna go and lay down some panels. What do you want to do?
You're sweet.
Hmm?
You clean the house.
Say louder as you can hear. Hello.
We already told them we clean the house.
Why you acting like nervous?
Because
You want to be in a video or no?
I don't care.
Yeah, we're about to head back to the shop. Get some panels laid down. And then, yeah, we'll go from there.
Is this like your daily vlogs?
Hmm?
Is this like your daily vlogs or what?
No, so remember I told you in 2026 we're going to do YouTube videos?
Who's
2026.
we? Me and you?
Me and you. I'm going to add you to the clip sometimes.
That's crazy.
But it's just for the...
Sometimes.
I'm going to be showing like the shop, food. If we go to like an adventure, because you know how we be going to places. Which I don't really like to show it, but on the YouTube I want to see and just get everything and show everything what we do. If it's fun, not boring.
You're silly.
Damn. But yeah. Might as well do a food channel.
Food channel?
Mm-hmm.
All the food we try?
Mm-hmm.
That means when you try new restaurants, not eat the same things over and over again.
We keep trying the same restaurant, guys. Send us some new restaurants in a bio in Sacramento.
In the bio?
Or in the comments in Sacramento.
He's so cute.
Or a few hours away, like an hour or two. Alright guys, so we're back here at the shop. We got the Tesla here. It was full, it was dirty, man. I had to prep it, wash it, clay bar it, alcohol it. It was crazy. But we laid down here the panels here already, the trunk. And one is dry and then the other one is wet install. So the wet install is this one here. The dry install is this one here. There's pros and cons about the installer installing this. It's at your preference. You will get glue lines when it's dry, just because, you know, it's a little bit more tedious to work with this, but it's a lot better than wraps. You know, it's a PPF and color basically together. So if you're a wrapper and a PPF installer, it's really good. You're gonna know what to do. I'm not a PPF installer. I do vinyl wraps and commercial and all that good stuff. So I'm learning as I go. This is like a third card. You know what I mean? I'm not even gonna lie. I'm just like, it's a new in the industry. Nobody knows how long it's gonna really last, but we'll know that pretty soon. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and apply it wet, like 50-50, wet and dry. Some areas, inlays definitely have to be dry, and then this one already comes ceramic coated already with a little lecture. So you're gonna have to kill that ceramic coat in order to overlap. So, but yeah, the material it has a black backing too as well. That's what I like. I love the black backing ones, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wait for my boy Shino. Cut this out here, and then keep you posted on what we installed today. And we have a truck drop off, and we have a couple things to do, but yeah. Check it out, guys. We have done the fenders, back trunk. We're gonna do this whole side. Bro, what do you think so far, bro? About this Color Ppf stuff.
This is some crazy work. We're doing the whole side in one go.
People are like, oh my God, they're crazy.
No,
Other people was like, yep, that's the way to go.
That's the way to go.
But like I said, we only done like about 3 or 4 of these, and they have been easier cars, Cybertrucks. This one's a actual body and white car, so we're gonna go ahead and just see what's up. We told the customer that if we need inlays, we're gonna put them in black. If not inlays, we'll put them in this color, because I know this stuff has like a ceramic coating to it, so you have to take it off and remove it in order to put it in inlays, like I was telling you guys earlier. But so far, everything has been good. Little squeegee. We were gonna install it dry, but wanted to go 50-50, a little bit of dry, a little bit of wet. And so far, and a little bit of alcohol. So far, it has been working. Everything has been good. Check it out, man. The thing is crazy, man. This stuff is going wild. We might do the other side and just leave the bumpers. We'll see. What do you think, though? Better than wraps or what? What do you
So
think?
far,
You like it?
it's easy to install. I ain't gonna lie, it does feel easy to install than wraps. But the question is it gonna stay?
That's the thing. That's the other question too.
Nah,
And
I'm not
the
too
question
worried
is,
about
if it's gonna stay, how long do we have to wait for it to dry? People say 1 to 2 hours, and then you got to see if it's
Right.
longevity wise. That's my thing. I want to see if it lasts really 5-6 years or whatever. This one's supposed to last around 6 years or so. That's what
Supposedly, right?
supposedly, but there's one that lasts 10 years. But you know what I mean? Well, nobody ever knows because it's new in the market. So if you ask the right questions to a shop you go to, make sure they're providing any questions they ask, they have to answer them and make sure because it's a new product, so then nobody is gonna know too much info on this stuff. But we'll see what's up. All right, I'm gonna hop on this panel with him. All right, guys, so we're at my parents' house right now. Just got off work, out of the shop and everything. About to pull inside. These girls wanted to be in the YouTube video and everything, so we're gonna go see what's up.
Let me see your camera.
It's on now. We're on.
Is that your work phone or is that?
Oh, that's cool.
Were you recording now?
Yeah, we're recording. Oh, yo, you wanna go high though?
This is that
They
your
wanted to go inside the YouTube video. There's my girl Diana right here. They're all shy, but they wanted to be in the. Oh, here's Chelsea. Chelsea's right there.
Stop following her.
I got my little man right here.
Look, it's Araya. Say
This is my
hi.
kid right
Say
here.
hi. Say hi, YouTube family. No, just
And then my brother's in the bathroom right now. He's taking a fat ass shit and shit. That boy about to come out with a crazy ass hair color right now. But yeah, this is my boy Ezzy. Here we call him Ezzy. So wait for his uncle. Watch this shit. This shit's crazy. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to shit. That's crazy. Alright, ma. Ven para acá.
en video.
She wants to tell you guys something. Go ahead, dale. Dile pues. Todos se ponen bien nerviosos, todos. So my mom sells food.
me da pena.
My mom sells food. If you guys are in the Sacramento area, El Dorado Hills, Folsom, Vacaville, Fairfield, everywhere. ¿Qué
Comida mexicana, estilo Uruapan, Michoacán. Enchiladas, pozole, morisqueta con carne de puerco, tacos dorados, flautas, tamales de puerco, de pollo, salsa verde, queso con rajas, champurrado, atole de tamarindo, atole de leche, tamales de harina y todos los antojitos tradicionales de Europa, Michoacán que se les antoje los podemos hacer.
I'll put her bio in the link below, so go ahead and click it. And I hit her up on Facebook. But talk about this guy right here. Look at this. Look at this boy. That boy trying to go emo style.
You got $20.
You got 20. But yeah, we're about to sign off here, guys. What should we say as a sign off?
Keep watching.
Keep watching, keep motivated, keep up. Let's go 2026. Let's get this going. Damn, you guys are hella shy though on camera though. That's crazy.